What's going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video, and today we are now eating here at Yayoi, located at 1 Bonifacio High Street in Bonifacio, Global City. Okay guys, so our food just arrived, so I ordered their tonkatsu, which comes with the tonkatsu itself, miso soup, the tonkatsu sauce, rice, and radish. Well, here is what my mom ordered, which is their yakiniku, while my dad ordered the ramen. And my dad also ordered their katsu toji. Okay guys, so let's now try their tonkatsu. So let's first try the miso soup. Great start. That miso soup is really good. So let's now try their tonkatsu. With rice. Also the tonkatsu sauce. Also have a lemon. Let's try the one with the lemon. Really good. Overall, the tonkatsu is great. It's very crispy. The batter is not soggy at all. And it's very moist and juicy. And the tonkatsu sauce is great. Overall, the tonkatsu is great. Also, miso soup is great. Overall, it's my first time eating here at Yayoi, and the food is really good. Okay guys, so let's also try the ramen. Let's first try the noodles. Noodles are great. There is the pork, I believe. It tastes like grilled pork. It's a smoky taste, which I like. Now the broth. Great ramen. Usually, I'm not that big of a fan of ramen, but this ramen is really good. Overall, I also recommend the ramen here.